At Bob Boldt HVAC, we specialize in expert AC repair in Burnsville, Minnesota 55337. Our team of certified technicians is dedicated to ensuring your air conditioning system operates efficiently, keeping your home cool and comfortable during the hottest months. Whether it's a minor fix or a major repair, we provide fast, reliable service to restore your AC unit. With years of experience in the industry, we handle all makes and models of air conditioners. For top quality AC repair in Burnsville, Minnesota, trust Bob Boldt HVAC to get the job done right the first time. Contact us today about Bob Boldt HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What AC repair services does Bob Boldt HVAC offer in Burnsville, Minnesota 55337? Bob Boldt HVAC provides a range of AC repair services, including fixing refrigerant leaks, addressing compressor issues, repairing electrical faults, replacing worn-out components, and resolving airflow problems in Burnsville. How quickly can Bob Boldt HVAC respond to AC repair requests in Burnsville, Minnesota 55337? Bob Boldt HVAC offers prompt service and strives for same-day AC repair in Burnsville. They also provide 24/7 emergency services for urgent air conditioning issues. What is your AC repair service office for Burnsville, Minnesota? Our local AC repair service office have served the areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC office? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website, https://bobbots.com/Burnsville HVAC/.